Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the U.S. Visa Bulletin predictions for January 2025. The start of a new year often brings important updates to U.S. immigration processes, and the January 2025 Visa Bulletin is no exception. For many applicants anxiously waiting to see changes in priority dates and visa availability, this bulletin could set the stage for immigration trends in the year ahead. Whether you're in the family-sponsored or employment-based green card category, understanding these shifts is essential for effectively planning your next steps. In this video, we'll provide predictions for key visa categories in January 2025, insights into potential movements in priority dates, how these changes might impact applicants from high-demand countries like India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines, the implications of visa retrogressions and backlogs for families and workers. If this topic interests you, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all things related to U.S. immigration. Now, let's get started. Why the Visa Bulletin is important. For millions of immigrants, the Visa Bulletin is a vital resource. It provides clarity on when applicants may file for or receive their green cards, shedding light on the ever-changing U.S. immigration system. These updates are critical for long-term planning, especially for individuals caught in extensive backlogs or dealing with retrogressions. Looking back, key insights from the December 2024 Visa Bulletin. The December 2024 Visa Bulletin highlighted several ongoing trends. Family-based categories. Persistent backlogs in F1, unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens, and F4, siblings of U.S. citizens. Countries like Mexico and the Philippines continue to face extremely long wait times. Employment-based categories. EB2, advanced degree professionals, and EB3, skilled workers, categories are under heavy demand, particularly for applicants from India and China. Retrogressions were observed in some categories due to limited visa availability and high usage rates. Visa usage for fiscal year 2025. Officials predict fewer employment-based visas will be available compared to previous years. A cautious approach to advancing priority dates is expected, further stretching wait times for applicants. Predictions for January 2025, what to expect. Family-based visa categories. Slow progress or retrogressions. Modest advancements are expected at best, with potential retrogressions in some categories due to high demand. F1, F3, and F4 categories. F1, unmarried adult children of U.S. citizens. Long waits continue for high-demand countries. F3, married children of U.S. citizens, and F4, siblings of U.S. citizens. These categories remain oversubscribed, especially for applicants from Mexico and the Philippines. Demand versus supply. The family-based system allocates approximately 226,000 visas annually, but demand far exceeds supply, leading to significant backlogs. Employment-based visa categories. High demand in EB2 and EB3. EB2, advanced degree professionals, and EB3, skilled workers, are likely to see retrogressions due to overwhelming demand. Indian and Chinese applicants face the longest delays, with wait times spanning decades in certain cases. Reserved categories. While new provisions, such as visas for rural or infrastructure-based investments, are attractive, strict quotas limit overall availability. Impact of per-country caps. The 7% per-country cap on green cards adds to the challenges faced by applicants from high-demand countries. For family-based applicants. Siblings of U.S. citizens from the Philippines face wait times exceeding 20 years. For employment-based applicants. Indian applicants in EB2 and EB3 categories may experience decades-long delays. This cap disproportionately affects these countries, creating extensive backlogs and delaying opportunities for applicants seeking permanent residency. The human cost of green card backlogs. The prolonged wait times for green cards have far-reaching implications. Temporary visa uncertainty. Many employment-based applicants live in the U.S. on temporary work visas, often renewing them for years while waiting for their green cards. Aging out concerns. Children of applicants risk losing their dependent visa status upon turning 21, potentially resulting in family separations. Backlog numbers. As of June 2023, over 1.2 million individuals were stuck in employment-based backlogs, underscoring the urgent need for immigration reform. Preparing for the January 2025 Visa Bulletin. As we await the release of the January 2025 Visa Bulletin, thorough preparation is vital for those navigating the U.S. immigration system. Here's how you can stay ahead. 1. Monitor priority dates. Priority dates are the cornerstone of understanding when you may file for or adjust your status. Keeping a close eye on any changes is essential to avoid missing key opportunities. Understand your category, identify the visa category relevant to your case, family-sponsored or employment-based, and track its movement in recent bulletins. Focus on country-specific trends. Applicants from high-demand countries such as India, China, Mexico, and the Philippines often face unique challenges due to backlogs and per-country caps. Compare your priority date with the latest cutoff dates to estimate your timeline. Review historical trends. Analyzing past visa bulletin movements can help you anticipate possible advancements or retrogressions in your category. Sign up for alerts. Subscribe to updates from the U.S. Department of State and other immigration news sources to get notified as soon as the visa bulletin is released. 2. Plan strategically. Given the complexity of the U.S. immigration system, a well-thought-out plan is crucial to make the most of your available options. Consult an immigration expert. Immigration laws and policies are intricate, and a qualified attorney or consultant can help you navigate them. They can offer personalized advice based on your circumstances, including alternatives to address delays or backlogs. Evaluate filing options. If you're eligible for concurrent filing Form I-485 for adjustment of status and the immigrant petition simultaneously, act promptly when your priority date becomes current. Explore alternative pathways. Depending on your situation, consider other visa options or categories that may provide faster or more flexible routes to permanent residency. Prepare documentation early. Ensure that all required documents are up to date and readily available. Missing paperwork can cause unnecessary delays when your priority date becomes current. 3. Stay informed. The U.S. immigration landscape is constantly evolving, with new policies and procedures often introduced without much warning. Staying informed is key to making timely decisions. Understand policy changes, keep track of recent announcements from the U.S. Department of State, USCIS, and other relevant agencies. Policies affecting visa allocation or processing times can have a direct impact on your case. Follow immigration news. Regularly check trusted sources, including official government websites, immigration-focused platforms, and reputable legal blogs. Engage with communities. Join forums or groups of applicants in similar situations to share experiences and insights. Networking can provide valuable tips on navigating common challenges. Anticipate delays. Given the ongoing backlogs in both family and employment-based categories, it's wise to factor in potential delays and adjust your expectations accordingly. Here is a detailed video of recently published December Visa Bulletin 2024. Do watch it.